Good morning everyone and welcome back muli sa ating live. This is our first game of this matchup, Xavier School versus the San Beda. And muli maraming salamat po sa mga parents na nag-invite po sa akin para i-cover ang inyong mga laban, especially sa ating Xavier School. Ayan, maraming salamat po kaya Ma'am Alina Yu, Ma'am Derek Ryu, Sir Erwin Tan, and Ma'am Gina Ong, and also Jasper Yeng and Ma'am Ivy Yeng, and to all the parents of our Xavier School basketball team. Maya-maya tayo magsisimula na sa ating unang laban para sa araw na ito. Black boys. Let's go, boys. Alright, magsisimula na po tayo sa ating laban. Good luck, boys. Start the ball game. First ball mapupunta sa San Beda, Alabang. Good. Reverse layup para sa San Beda. Yan, first point dito ng San Beda. Jerwin Depano, pass to Gray, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 13, side step, no good. Rebound by Gray. Another steal para sa San Beda. Using the glass, no good. There para San Beda. 4-0. Pana to Gray. Gray. Pass to Brody. Nabitawan. Naka-recover dito. And that's a jump ball. That's the three, no good. Offensive rebound by Jerwin. Jerwin, pass to you. Jump shot is good. By jersey number 34, you. Number 6. Oh, there's a foul. Para San Beda. Wala yan kay jersey number 6. Second shot, no good. Rebound by you. Pass to Tan. Bounce pass to Gray. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Red ball. Ayan na ang San Beda. Number 6. Block. Good defense para sa ating Xavier. And one. Basket count and one para sa San Beda. Shooting at the line na jersey number 13. Tan. Three-point play para kay Tan. Gray, and there's a foul. Bola rito ay ng ating savior. Yu with an inbound, pass to Gray. Uy, nabitawan. Steal ng San Beda. Tan. Step back 3. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Felipe. Go. Uy, steal by Tan. Outlet pass. Still there. Naka-recover number 6. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Go to the pass to Gray. Gray sumalaksak. Oh, what a move by Gray Gadki. Tan. Screen there. Tan. Oh, steal. Bounce pass to Jerwin. Sumalaksak. Block by number 16. Number 6 to number 25. What an extra pass. Number 6 with the fake. No good. Rebound by Felipe. To you. Gray. Bad pass. Bola rito ay ng San Beda. That pass, steal by that's number 25. Pass to number 6. Ooh, there's a foul. Ay, pasok na rin dito si Jaco Yang. Good. Second shot para kay jersey number 10. Sorry, that's number 6 rather. Pinasok na rin para sa ating savior, Tyrese and Jaco. Oh, sorry, that's Titus rather. Steal by number 16. Number 6. Number 6 with the cross. Stop and pop. Uy, no good. Rebound by Jaco. Yang. To Titus. Pass to DeAndre. Ooh. There's a foul. You in an inbound, bounce pass to DeAndre. Basket is good. Down by 3. Ayan na, steal. Out of bounds lang. Good steal there by Felipe. Go. Time remaining 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Tan. Pinasa corner. Tan, sumalaksak, tumira, wala, rebound. Number 16, kick out, fake, step back 3, ooh, no good. Rebound by Titus, outlet pass, Jaco all the way, basket is good by Jaco. Yan. Isa na lang, down by 1 ang San Beda. Number 30. Pass to Tan. Tan. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Felipe. Pass to Jaco. Jaco nagmamadali. Jaco all the way too strong. Rebound by number 25. Outlet pass to number 6 and out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ay ng ating savior, Yu. Pass to Titus. Titus, hand off to Yu. Pass to Jaco. Stop and pump. Short. Rebound by Felipe. Block there. Offensive rebound by Felipe. And out of bounds. Bola rito ng San Beda. Uy, pass to Tan. Tan. Side step. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by Yeng. Jayco. Oh, steal by number 25. Outlet pass to Tan. Hinahabol ni Yu all the way. No good. Rebound by Titus. Titus, steal by number 30. Back again to Tan, fake. Back to Titus, steal by Titus rather. Ayan ang Xavier. DeAndre, and there's a foul. Substitution, time remaining 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Brody coming in. DeAndre, Yu. Pass to Titus. Pass to Yu. Yu, back to Titus. Pinasan ng big man. Cole. What an extra pass. Jayco with a jump shot. No good. And out of bounds. Brody. Titus with a shot. Basket is good. Timeout, San Beda. 2 points lang daw po yun. Sabi ng ating official score is 10 and 9 in favor of our Xavier School. Time remaining 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Back to the ball game. Oopsie. Sorry. That is a foul penalty. Xavier's under penalty situation in the free throw area. Jersey number 13, Tan. Basket doon ng first free throw. Coming from Tan. Second shot. Tan. Basket. Balik ang alamangan sa San Beda. Pass to Jayco. To Titus. To Jayco. Jayco. Tumira and there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 2, Jayco Yeng. No good. Second shot para kay Jayco. Basket. 2 for 2. Oopsie, steal. DeAndre, backdoor pass to Titus. Using the glass, no good. Offensive rebound by Code. Tumira wala. Brody again. No good. Rebound by DeAndre. Yu. Pass to Titus. 4-3. No good. Rebound. Makuha ng San Beda. Tan, sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Brody. Pass to Titus. Titus to Jaco. Jaco, pass to Cole. Oy, sayang. That's a traveling violation by Cole. Bola mapupunta sa San Beda, Alabang. Number 13, Tan. Tan, hand off, back to Tan. Basket para kay Tan. 13-11. Titus, pass to Jaco. Nabitawan na lang ang bola doon. Substitution, Jerwin coming in for DeAndre. Titus, stop and pump, no good. Rebound, good. Pass to Tan. May tangan ng bola. Tan, sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Titus, back. Outlet pass to Jerwin. Jerwin will spin. No good. Offensive rebound. Nice shot by Cole. Tabla tayo sa 13. Number 17. Hand off to Tan. Tan, tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Nag-aagawan. And that's a jump ball. Time remaining 10.4 seconds. Bola po dito ng San Beda. Tan, catch and shoot, too strong. Rebound by number 17. Gets the shot, no good. Makuha ni Duco. Number 13, and there's a foul. Wait lang, di nagkakarinigan. End of the first quarter. Official score is all 13. Tapos na po pala ang ating oras doon. Alright, tayo dadawa na sa second quarter. Back to the ball game. Second quarter po tayo. Bola dito natin. Xavier School Basketball. Brody to Depano. Depano to Jerwin. Jerwin fake. Kick out to Jaco. Jaco with the fake. Backdoor pass. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Bola rito. Yun ang San Beda. Ayun ang double team. Number 17. Herrera. Binigay sa corner. Number 25 to number 16. And that's a traveling violation. Jerwin, pass to Jaco. Jaco with a cross. Jaco. Pass to Depano. Jam shot. Yes, sir. And that's a lane violation. Bola rito ng ating Xavier. Reps, gusto ko rep. Okay lang. Thank you. Thank you, rep. Brody looking for his teammate to Jaco. Jaco naka-recover. Back to Ko. Steal. Ayan na. Tan, nagmamadali. Tan. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Tan. No good again. Rebound din dito. Jaco. But there's a foul. Ayan na. Depano. Pass to Jerwin. To Gray. Pass to Arden. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ng San Beda. Tan. Versus Tan. Tan. Sumalaksak. Dire-diretso. But there's a foul. Number 11. Shooting on the line, jersey number 13, Tan. First shot para kay Tan, wala. Mabasa isang ating kalamangan, 15-14. Rayleigh Depano, pass to Jerwin, catch and shoot, short, rebound by Arden. Oy. There's a foul. Arden Ko on the free throw area, jersey number 13. Shot is good. Second shot para kay Arden. Arden, basket, 2 for 2. Ayan na. Ang San Beda. Dan, didepensahan ni Depano. Binigay sa corner, catch and shoot. Uy. Sagot dito ang San Beda. Rayleigh Depano. Stop and pop. Ooh, no good. Rebound by Tan. Pass to number 13. Behind the back. Tan. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by Arden. Pass to Jerwin. Jerwin. Oy! No good. But there's a foul. NMD, shout out. Ma'am Gina Ong and Sir Erwin Tan. Pinasok na rin dito si number 10. Jerwin. Julio Go, jersey number 10 coming in. Second shot para kay Jerwin. Jerwin basket. 18-16. Good. Uy. 16, binigay number 17, pass to number 13. Number 13, umatake, but there's a foul. left. Sa ating first up, no good. Rebound. Tan, no good pa rin. Ayun na. Tan, wala pa rin. Rebound by Arden. Arden looking for his teammate, and that's a traveling violation ang tawag ng ating referee doon. Bola rito ay ng San Beda. Uy. Nagkakapisikalan na ang parehas na big man. Anong tawag ng ating referee? Double technical, double foul. Double foul from both team. Ayan na. Tan, umatake. Wala. Rebound by Arden. Pero hindi pumayag ang San Beda doon, out of bounds. Bola rito ng ating Xavier. Let's go, Xavier. Julio go, pass to O'Reilly. Depano. Nagay kay Jerwin. Up and under, wala. Rebound by Julio. Tumira using the glass. Basket is good by Julio. Go. Ayun na, Tan. Nagay sa corner, number 30. No good. Rebound by Arden. But there's a foul, number 2. Depano, pass to Julio. Binigay sa corner, Gray. Jump shot, no good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola rito ay ng San Beda. Number 30. Number 17 to number 16. Binigay sa loob. Basket is good. Depano. Running shot. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. Substitution. DeAndre Titus. Jaco. MDU. Coming in. Except kay Julio Go. Ayun na ang mga nakapula. Dan. Tuloy, there's a foul. Number 10. Henrik. May tahan ng bola. Pass to number 6. Number 6, jump shot, basket. Tabla tayo sa 20. Titus, handoff to DeAndre. Pass to Titus. Jaco, and that's a foul. That's a blocking or offensive foul. Parang si Titus ata ang foul doon. Bola na dito ng San Beda. Number 17, pass to Tan. Sorry, that's number 1. Uy, ang tawag ang referee doon. Tan. Uy, what a cross. Lifting nga lang. Kita yun ng ating referee. Bola rito ng Xavier. Titus. May tangan ng bola. Binigay sa corner. Jaco. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Tan. Outlet pass. Number 10. Basket is good. Change favor. Lamang na ang San Beda ng isa. Jaco. DeAndre, running shot, no good. Rebound by Evo. And there's a foul.
Ano po? Sige lang po. Sige lang. Hindi, okay lang po. Hindi, no problem. Hindi naman kita. Okay lang. Diretso. Sir.
Back to the ball game. What a pass to DeAndre Yu. Tabla tayo. Steal by Jaco. Jaco umatake. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni Felipe. To Titus. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to Tan. Tan. Spin. And that's a traveling violation. Ay, no coach. Ayan na. Jaco, pass to DeAndre. Pass to number 25. Handoff to DeAndre. Floater, wala. Rebound. Pass to Tan. Tan, stop and pump. Nakabawi ang San Beda doon. Galing yan kay Tan. Jaco to Evo, spin. Back to number 25. Side step to Mira, wala. Rebound. Outlet pass to number 1. Dedepensahan ni DeAndre and out of bounds. Last touch. DeAndre, side step to Mira, wala. Rebound, steal by you. And there's a foul. Back to the ball game. Time remaining po natin, 2 minutes. With exact time. Ay, sir. On the free throw area, jersey number 18, DeAndre Yu. No good. Tapos na ata ang oras. No good. Okay, that's the end of our first half. Official score is 24-22. In favor pa rin sa San Beda. Ay, sige po. Alright, third quarter po tayo. Let's go. Number 6 for 3, short. Final, Riley. Pass to Gray. To Riley. To Gray, short. Oh, steal. Riley. To Gray, no good. Official timeout. Back to the ball game. Ryan. Running shot, no good. Depano. Out the pass to Gray. Napalakas na lang ang dribble doon ni Gray. Uy. 8-second shot clock violation. Minutes and 31 seconds. Depano, pass to Jaco, pass to Riley. So Jaco sa corner. Back to sa loob. Number 9, block. No good, rebound. Number 16. Pass number 17 to number 6. Hand off to time. Step back to no good. Rebound by Depano. Depano. Floater. Wala. There's a foul. Remaining 7 minutes and 33 seconds. No good. Rebound by Jaco. Yang floater. No good. Upper pass to Tan. Uy. Grabe ang lumamit ng katawan. Si Tan. 26-22, 4-point lead para sa guest team. Evil. Ooh. That's a traveling violation. Brody and Arden coming in para sa Xavier. Tan, pass to number 25. Pass to Tan, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 25 from elbow 3. No good. Rebound makukuha ni Arden. Pass to you. Pass to Defino. Catch and shoot for 3. Wala. Rebound by Brody. No good. Defino with a pick up. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ng San Beda. Outlet pass. Stand spin. Uy. There's a foul. Still there by number 16, number 25 to number 13, no good. Rebound by Arden. Still number 17. Stand for 3, wala. Rebound by Arden. Chico, outlet pass. Titus, floater. Basket is good by Titus. Number 17. Pinasa loob. Pass number 17. Tumira. Wala. Oh, still. Nabago. Coach. Kilgan! Kilgan! The ball game. Brody floater. What nice shot by Brody. Shout out kay Sir Benedicto. Oh, no calls. Wala. Rebound by Brody. Okay, Titus. Oh, what a nice move by Titus time. Time out, San Beda. Official score is 28-26. Tamang tayo dito ng 2 points. with the ball game. Offensive foul. Good defense para kay Jerwin. Bola rito ng ating savior, Titus. To Jerwin, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound. Makuha ng Sanbeda. Tan. Number 30, pass number 25. Hand off to number 6. Tan. Bigay sa corner, jump shot, no good. Rebound number 25, and there's a foul. Shots by jersey number 25. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound. And an extra pass, number 30. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng savior. Jaco. Pass to Titus. Back to Jaco. To Brody. Jaco. Left hand shot. No good. Rebound ng Sanbeda. Tan. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 6, Tan. Second shot para kay Tan. Basket is good. Tabla tayo sa 28. Jaco to Tai Cheng, no good. Rebound by number 1. Number 1 tumira, no good. Rebound number 30, wala. Number 16. Number 30, no good. Defensive rebound by Arden. To Jaco. Yan. Boy, what a sidestep. No good nga lang yun. Jaco with a save. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Sanbeda. Fourth. Ay, scoring third. Yep. Tan. Oy. They drive them. Number 1, pass to Tan. Tan with the cross. Ibigay kay number 30. Jump shot. Basket is good. 30-28. Steal. Number 1. Steal by Vincent. Pero naka-recover. Number 30. No good. And out of bounds. Time remaining 50 seconds. Bola rito ay ng ating savior. Really? Pass to Jaco. To Felipe. Oh, still. Ay na, number 1 block by Depano. Time remaining, last 29 seconds. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Felipe. Pass to Jacob. Yem, side step. No good. Rebound. Last 15 seconds. Number 30. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni DeAndre. To Evo. Last 1 second. Tira. End of the third quarter, Fisher score at 28-30 in favor of the San Beda Alabang. Alright, tayo dadao na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Let's go, Xavier. Yan, shoutout muli sa ating mga parents na nandito. And nakikita ko sila Ma'am Aline and Sir Derek Yu. At ganun din sila Ma'am Ivy. And to all the parents na nandito sa ating venue. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo. Magandang umaga po. Fourth and final quarter. Let's go. Bola dito ng Xavier. Depano, catch and shoot. Yes, sir. Tabla tayo sa 30. Tan. Sa jersey number 1. Naipit nga lang ang bola doon. Back to the ball game. Depano. You. 3 seconds violation daw po. Ooh. Pushing foul, number 30, Depano. Bola rito ay ng San Beda. Tan. What an extra pass. No good. Rebound by Felipe. Still number 13. There's a foul. That's a blocking foul. First shot, no good. Second shot. No good. Depano. No good. Bola ng San Beda. Tan, spin. Steal by Arden. Steal by number 25. At an extra pass to Tan. No good. Good defense by Arden. Pass to Felipe. Out of bounds. Oh, sorry, there's a foul. You, pass to Depano. Back to you. Tutan, pinasa loob. You, 4-3. No good, rebound ng San Beda. Tan, nakalusot si Tan. Change favor. Lamang dito ang San Beda. You, but there's a foul. Number 13. You to Jerwin. Back to you, DeAndre. That's it, traveling double. Steal by Arden. Pass to you. Depano to Arden. Pass to you. Backdoor pass. Jerwin. Sumalaksak. Using the board. No good. Arden with a shot. There's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 13, Arden Cole. Basket. Second shot para kay Arden. No good. 32-31 time to number 30. No good. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Cole. Pass to Felipe and there's a foul. Penalty. Five minutes and 18 seconds. No. Let's go. Number 13. Strip there. There's a foul. Oy, bad pass, naka-recover. Gets the 3. Yes, sir. sagot ang San Beda doon. Let's go, Xavier! Ayun na, babawi dito. Jaco. Pass to you. Babawi sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Tan. Number 13. Using their body. Basket. Timeout. Xavier. Official score 37-31. 6-point lead. Para sa San Beda. Congrats, brother. You know. Congrats.
We have one live on video.
Congrats. Congrats, mga bro. 40-38, down by 2. Let's go, Xavier. Tan. Uy, walang tawag. Tumira sa 3. Oh! What a dagger 3. Let's go, Xavier. Time remaining 1 minute and 30 seconds. Titus. Babawi sa 3. Hey! Yes, para sa 3. Baba sa 1, 2. Ang lamang ng San Beda. Binigay sa corner. Oy! Number 25. No good. Makukuha ng San Beda. Bad pass. Still by Brody. Jaco gustong babawi. Oy! There is a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 2, Jaco Yang. No good. Second shot para kay Jaco. Last 59 seconds. Let's go. Second shot. Basket is good. Ayan na. Down by 1. Time out dito ang San Beda. Official score 43-42. Almost 1 minute na lamang po ang natitira sa ating laro. Let's go, Xavier! Let's go! Alright. Back to the ball game. Last 59 seconds. Let's go, Xavier. Number 25. Pass to Tan. Tan gets the reach. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Jaco. Jaco with a cross. Ayan na, dere-dereto. Jaco all the way. Basket yan para kay Jaco. Down by 1. Lamang na tayo dito ng 1. And there's a foul. Last 37.2 seconds. Both teams under penalty situation. Crucial free throw by jersey number 13. Tan. Uy. Tabla tayo. Si Jaco. Ay na, Tan. Change favor. Lamang ang San Beda ng 1. Grabe. Dikit lang eh. 45, 44. 1 point lead para San Beda, Alabang. Let's go, Xavier. Meron pa yan. 37.2 seconds ang natitira. Hold on, guys.
Ay!
Hey! Thank you. Diyan ka pala. Ay! Crucial! Crucial tayo, crucial. 37 seconds left. Bola dito ng ating Xavier. Let's go! Sino tatanggap at titira? Para sa ating Xavier. Evo, mag-inbound. Pass to Depano. Depano. Titus. To Evo. Jump shot. Short.
Stop!
Oy! Last touch. Last 23 seconds. Uy! Ayun na, time. Pressure, pressure. Let's go. Uli. Foul, foul.
Sayang oras.
Last 12 seconds. Crucial free throw para kitain.
I just wanted to no, shout for a team. Shout for a team. Ah! See the shooting.
Ayan na, let's go! Yeah! Let's go!
Yes! Tacos! Yes! Can you miss again?
No! Oh no!
If they miss.
Ayan na! Oy!
Okay.
Time out!
Okay, changing time.
Pwede ba ta? Pwede pa mga 3 points. 46-44. Bola ng Xavier.
What's up, vlog?
Ay, okay, shoutout din. Sisi, tingin mo titira ng huli. Huwag ka win the... Tingnan natin, sino tingin ito titira, ha?
Shout out grade 10, class 13.
Titira ba ng 3 to? Titira ng 3?
Jacob's not even here.
Or a quick 2? Oh, wala si Jacob.
What a big guy is.
Is it a Titus dito? Tingnan natin.
Let's go,
Kung
Titus.
sino titira. Let's go. 12 seconds remaining. Evo, mag-inbound.
Let's go, Titus.
Pass to Titus. You, Depano.
Hey!
Victor. Oh! Wala pa, 5 seconds na. Meron pang natitirang 5 seconds. May 5 seconds pa. Ako po, mag-aaroon pa po ng overtime. Tabla tayo.
Hey, five. 5 seconds, bro. What happened? Was it a play? Or was it open? Yeah, so open. That was something that Lucas said. Oh, I mean, talking line. Yes, bro. Defense.
Just 5 seconds remaining. Let's go. Sino ang titira sa kabila or still? Defense.
Defense! 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 Defense!
Ayun na. 5, 4, 3, 4, 3! Ay! Hey, overtime, guys. Hey, come on. Hey. Yeah, overtime. Sa atin na ba? Let's go, Xavier! We have an overtime. Last 5 minutes.
Let's go, team! Shout there, shout outside the shop. Let's go, team! Let's go, team!
Let's
Go,
go.
Xavier!
$46 all. Grabe. Overtime tayo.
Defense! Defense!
Alright. Overtime. Titus gets the 3. No good. Rebound by DeAndre. No good. Number 30. Number 17. No good. Rebound by Depano. Depano nagmamadali. Depano. No good. Rebound by Kyoto. No good. Rebound by Depano. Pass to Evo. To Brody. Pass to DeAndre. Jump shot. Yes, sir. $48-46. Ayan na. Still by Evo. Pass to Rayleigh. Depano. Pass to Brody. Brody, kick out. DeAndre, side step. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Running shot. There's a foul. Penalty. Second shot is good. 2 for 2. Tabla tayo sa 48. Depano, pass to Titus. Tigil. Pinasa corner. Titus from the corner to Reed. No good. Offensive rebound. Makukuha ni Evo. Pass to DeAndre. Traveling daw, sabi ng ating referee.
San Beda.
Offensive foul by number 16.
Session ako, mauga. Dami dumadaan.
Depano, pass to DeAndre. You to Titus. Running shot, short. Offensive rebound, Brody. Too strong. Evo, no good. And out of bounds, last touch. Bola ng San Beda. Ayun na, number 1. May tangan ng bola. Handoff. Number 13. Sige po. Ay, sorry. Oh! And that's 2 points. You to Titus. Back to you. Bounce pass to Brody. And there's a foul. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 39 seconds. On the free throw area, number 8, Brody Kyoto. No good. Let's go, Brody. Second shot para kay Brody. Alright, let's go. 49-50, down by 1. Ayan na. Tan, sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by you. Outlet pass. Jerwin, spin. Using the glass. Basket is good. By Jerwin. Tan. Uy. Let's go, Jerwin. Let's go, guys. Ayan na. Backdoor pass to Itan. And there is a foul. First shot is good para sa San Beda. All 51. Second shot is good. 1 minute and 10 seconds. You. Pass to Depano. Back to you. To Jerwin. Pass to Evo. Evo. Pass to Depano. Back to Evo. You. To Depano. 3 seconds to shoot. Depano. Tumira sa 3. Oh! Let's go! Ayan na! Oy! But there's a foul! Oh no! Time remaining, last 41 seconds. May tawag ang ating referee. Three points. It's a 3 points. Kitang-kita po yun. Grabe ang support ng mga juniors team natin, mga elder. To support their young guns. Two free throw, or crucial free throw para jersey number 13, Tan. First shot, no good. Oh, sorry, that's good. Down by 1. Grabe. Second shot. Wala. Rebound, number 16. Pastitan. Oy, wala. Rebound. Makukuha ni Evo. Pass to Brody. To Depano. Kopya. May dumaan ang bola. Bola rito ng San Beda. Last 28 seconds. Time out. San Beda, Alabang. Lalaglag na ako. Let's go, Xavier! 28.6 seconds remaining. Next game po natin, La Salle Zobel versus the Claret School QC. Bola rito ng San Beda, Alabang. Grabe ang first game natin. Let's go! Tingnan natin ang depensa nagagawin ng ating team. Lamang tayo ng isa. Let's go! Oh! What a steal! By Titus! Let's go! But there's a foul! On the free throw area. Crucial free throw para kay Evo U. Let's go, Evo. Evo for shot. Yes, sir. Basket is good para kay Evo. Second shot para kay Evo. No good. Ayan na. Last 20 seconds. Number 55. Bumatake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Evo. Pass to Jerwin. Depano. There's a foul. Let's go, Xavier! Shooting on the line, jersey number 30, Rayleigh Depano. Second shot para kay Depano. Offensive rebound. 4, 3, 2, 1. Uy, namantikan pa. What a nice game from both team. And congratulations to our Xavier School. Alright, good luck, good luck. Congratulations and nice game para sa ating Xavier School 2014. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next game. Shoutout po sa lahat ng parents na kasama natin dito. Hello po. Congrats! Congrats, coach. Hanggang sa muli. Congrats, Brody.